bam! Hey. Yeah, so I was walking around town the other day and I got hit by a seagull. I know that might be stupid and stuff, but yeah. I was just like walking around and so this is me like whoop, boop, 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 bam! And then all these people in the car was just watching me on the floor. Nah, I wasn't really on the floor, but I did get hit by a seagull. Yeah, so do you like my face? It's so awesome. Yeah, you probably think, oh god, you're an amazing artist, and I'm thinking, oh please. But yeah, I'm really tired right now. I don't know what to do. I'm tidying my room, like always, because I'm a messy little bugger. Nah, I'm joking, I'm a clean little freak. And I'm just like getting distracted by a lot of things. So yeah, how are you? Oh, I'm fine, you'll be okay. What are you up to? Oh, I'm just sitting here making a video log on the camera. Oh, same, how's it going? Oh, it's fine, don't worry. Oh, that's cool. What are you up to? For shizzle. Oh, whoa, did you just say for shizzle? Yeah, I did, home dog. Okay, you just leave me, because for some reason I keep thinking about cake. Am I the only one who thinks that? But no. I dropped my pen. Yeah, so I kind of like... Wait, that's wrong. How can you spell cake wrong? Cake. C-A-K-E. I spelled it wrong again. Ugh! Ah! Oh god. I'm in a hyper mood today. I really just want to like... You know those moods that you just want to play with anything? Look at this awesome bullet. Pretty cool. It's probably in a museum in France. It's about 15 euros, which is about... It's either £13 or £17. One of the two. And I also got this awesome badge. I think that was upside down, but yeah. It's pretty cool. I was going to stick it on my hand. And I got a t-shirt saying high five and... Oh god. What was I doing the other day? I think I remember what I was doing yesterday, because randomly these batteries turned up. So I think that's what I brought. They're pretty cool, because like, you can tell how much charge is in them by just clicking on the two white buttons, but they're supposed to have 100% battery, because it's not like I could use them, because they're still in the box, to be honest. But no, they want to be difficult and put 70% in each battery, which makes you just want to go... I hate this chair, to be honest, because it just goes wobble, wobble. At one time I want it to wobble, it doesn't do it. I mean squeak, to be honest. It won't squeak. What? Okay, that's enough for me now, but bye.